Hello Linux gamers, welcome back to another video. In this video, I am going to unbox Cammus C5 direct drive steering wheel, CP5 pedal and CS5 desktop clamp. Cammus is a fairly new brand in sim racing hardware and C5 is their first compact direct drive steering wheel under $350. Cammus is targeting the entry-level gamers with this bundle. C5 is the steering wheel with 5 Newton meters of torque at this price range. I would like to thank Cammus for sending me this C5 bundle to test and get it supported on Linux operating system. Cammus was kind enough to provide some discount for anyone planning to buy Cammus products. You can use the link in the description or use discount code FKTech to get 5% discount on all your purchases. Before we get into this video, I request all the viewers to smash the thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel as that will keep me motivated to keep making such content. Let's start the unboxing process. This is quite a big box, but I am sure this is the smallest direct drive wheel box you will ever find. Here we have the CS5 desktop clamp kit, CP5 pedal set and the famous C5 direct drive steering wheel. First I will open the CS5 desktop clamp. Here we have the metal bracket for desk mount. Oh wow, these metal brackets are quite heavy and very broad, so you can use it on any desk size. Next we have here CP5 pedal set. It comes with two pedal plates on top, then the pedal sensor mounted on a large metal plate. This is quite sturdy. Then there are the pedal with color coding and name stickers on it, which indicates the accelerator and brake. Here green is accelerator and red is brake. CP5 comes with USB-C to USB-C connector, where one side you will connect to CP5 pedal set itself and the other side will connect to C5 steering wheel. Finally, here we have the main console to connect all the stuff we just unboxed. This is the Cammus C5 direct drive and it is very heavy, but it is very slim as compared to any other direct drive wheel on the market. On the back we have I/O arranged in 3 layers. The first layer have power button and reset button, while second layer has DC connector in yellow, USB type B and fan connector. The third layer have two USB-C connector for pedal and handbrake. There is a white box on the side which contains the USB cable, power LED, two brackets to hold C5 either on sim racing cockpit or on a table. And the last we have power adapter, which is very big for the output it provides. It is 19 volts, 6.3 amps, which comes around to 119.7 watt. It comes with yellow connector, which I am seeing for the first time. There is the fan in C5 kit instead of the CS5 desktop clamp. The fan is of a decent size and use this connector. Alright, so this is all for the unboxing video. What do you think about using Cammus C5 on Linux for sim racing? Comment down below your thoughts. And I will showcase some gameplay using Cammus C5 bundle on Manjaro Linux in the coming videos. That's it for the video. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel for more gameplays on Linux OS. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.